Children, now let us construct a right angle triangle. How to construct a right angle triangle? Construction of a right angle triangle if hypotenuse and a side are given. What is meant by right angle triangle? I told you that if any angle in a triangle is 90 degrees, then it is known as a right angle triangle. What is meant by hypotenuse? Now let us see. Now we will draw a rough sketch. Okay. ABC is a right angle triangle. Now it is right angle is 90 degrees. Now BC is known as the hypotenuse. What is meant by hypotenuse? The angle, the side opposite to the right angle. The side opposite to the right angle. Here 90 degrees opposite side is BC. So it is known as hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. Hypotenuse like this, and one adjacent side is given, that is one side is given, then we have to draw the triangle. Now let us go through the problem. Exercise for first problem: construct a right angle triangle ABC such that angle B is 90 degrees, it is right angled at 90 degrees, and AB is 8 centimeters and AC is equals to 10 centimeters. Now we will draw a rough sketch. First. What is the rough sketch? AB is given 8 centimeters. AB is given as 8 centimeters. AB, and go through the problem. Right angle at B. So we have to make a right angle at B. Right angle at B is 90 degrees and AC is 10 centimeters. The hypotenuse given. The hypotenuse AC is given as 10 centimeters. ABC. This is the rough sketch or rough diagram, rough figure. Now let us construct the triangle first. Now take the scale and draw a line segment AB bar such that AB bar is equal to 8 centimeters. Take it as 8 centimeters. Now draw the line segment. AC is 8 centimeters. 8 centimeters. AB is line segment is 8 centimeters, and right angle at B. Now draw any ray MX, that is BX bar, such that it is perpendicular to AB bar, and take the protractor and make an angle of 90 degrees at B. Place it at B. Place the point 0 at B, and the line should be coincident. Yes, so take at B 90 degrees. 90 degrees. 90 degrees, and extend the ray BX bar. Extend the ray BX bar. It is perpendicular, that is, it is 90 degrees to AB bar. So BX bar, the ray BX is perpendicular to AB bar. Now, what is the next side, that is hypotenuse, that is 10 centimeters. Now draw an arc of 10 centimeters. Draw an arc and take length of 10 centimeters. 10 centimeters on the scale. 10, exactly 10 on the scale, and placing at A. Now cut the ray with an arc. So draw like this. And it cuts, the arc cuts the ray at point C, the point of intersection, name it as C. Now join AC like this. Now join AC. You will get a right angle triangle, right angle at B. We have to do the problem like this. We have to draw. So take AB bar as 8 centimeters and make an angle of 90 degrees and extend the ray such that BX bar is perpendicular to AB bar. Now take a radius of 10 centimeters on the scale and draw an arc placing at A, draw an arc such that it cuts the BX ray. Then the point of intersection as C and join AC. You will get AC bar, that is 10 centimeters. You have to proceed like this. Okay. Now, children, let us construct the triangle when two sides and one non-included angle is given. One non-included angle is given. Let us see. AB is equal to 8 centimeters and AC is equal to 5 centimeters. Angle B is equal to 40 centimeters. Now, what is the AB? Now, we will draw a rough sketch. What is AB? AB is equal to 8 centimeters. And what is the angle at B? Angle at B is 40 degrees. It is 40 degrees. And what is the length of AC? It is 5 centimeters. Length of AC is 5 centimeters. Now, let us draw this triangle. Now, these two sides and this angle is non-included. It is not included between these two line segments. It is non-included. So, it is known as non-included angle. Now, let us draw first. We have to draw a line segment AB such that AB is equal to 8 centimeters. We will take AB is equal to 8 centimeters like this. AB is 8 centimeters. Name it as AB and make an angle of 40 degrees. 40 degrees is acute angle. Make an angle of 40, place it at B, the protractor at B, and 40 degrees, 10, 20, 30, like this. This side we will get 40 degrees. Now 40 degrees is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 degrees here. Now remove this one. Draw a ray. Make an angle of 40 degrees. Extend BX bar. Extend BX bar. It is BX ray, and this is 40 degrees. BX ray is 40 degrees. And what is the length of AC? Length of AC is 5 centimeters. So make a radius of 5 centimeters. Take radius as 5 centimeters. 5 centimeters. Take a radius of 5 centimeters. Take the length of AC as 5 centimeters and make a radius of 5 centimeters. Place it at A and draw a circle. Arcs. You will get 2 arcs. Let us see. Draw arc. 2 arcs you will get like this. It cuts the BX ray at 2 points. It cuts at 2 points. See here. It cuts at 2 points. That is 2 points. Now let us take it as C point first. Draw an arc such that it cuts at 2 points. Because it is not included angle, you will get like this. So name it as C. And the arc also cuts the BX ray at another point also. It is C dash. It is C dash. Now you join these 2 points like this. So you will get another triangle ABC dash. Now we are getting 2 triangles here. Triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. BC is here 4 centimeters and 5 centimeters. Here also it is 5 centimeters. And ABC dash is another triangle. Triangle ABC dash. Okay. This is non-included. One non-included angle is given. We will get 2 triangles like this. In exercise 5, we have so many problems. You do like this. Okay, children. First, you take the length of AB as 8 centimeters and make an angle of 40 degrees. Make an angle of 40 degrees at B and extend the BX ray, and then you take 5 centimeters as a radius and draw the arc of draw arc, it will cut the ray at two places. It will cut the ray at two places. One is C and another one is C dash. Join AC and AC dash. You will get two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle ABC dash. Like this you have to do.